What is up? I am filming on a new lens. This is the Sigma 16, which is the original lens I was supposed to get. I was filming earlier on a 2022, but my kid went home sick today, so took the rest of the day off to finish up classes, and now I'm gonna head over to AA Motorworks to possibly remove the heat shield. It's rattling against my turbo right now, so we'll be removing that. And yeah, I just want to drive the car too. I haven't driven it since Saturday, I want to say. Yeah, Saturday. But got the BMW back and it drives just well. This is a great car. The BMW is a very solid car. Just hit 133,000 miles basically. Oh, there goes the lens cap. But let's go. We are back. Gotta fill this thing up since I didn't last time. Oh, I think I might have parked too close. Ah, nope, all right. In other words, I signed up for another track day. Laguna Seca, 90 decibels, so that'll be interesting. But Laguna Seca, 420. If you guys want to go, Speed SF. I'll be doing the low intermediate, or whatever is the group above beginner. So yeah, come on out. Really excited to test it out. I've always wanted to do Laguna Seca. I've done it plenty of times on Forza and Gran Turismo. So, well, I think I got a good layout of the track, but driving on a racing simulator versus driving a real car, totally different. Also in the game, there's no sound regulations. So, once again, 420, Laguna Seca, come out, say what's up if you're there. I'm super stoked to finally track the car again. Alright, let's turn her on. I gotta change the battery. It was at 45% and now it's already at freaking like 20%. These things go so quick, it's ridiculous. Let's go ahead, start her up. Can you guys see? Solid. Oh. Smells like corn. Alright. Oop. Well, now that it has a different lens, it doesn't really want... You guys are crooked again, but whatever. Hopefully, I don't stall. Last time I stalled was because I drove that BMW, which has such a light clutch, and then I came into this, and this thing has that stupid heavy clutch compared to the BMW, but we'll see. Oh! Gotcha! Alright, well, I'll see you at Adam. Here we go. Whoop. We're solid.
made the video.
No, you didn't.
Good.
I don't know.
I want you to
Oh, now it's recording. Look at that tomei.
Rainfish should be here soon. Are you recording me?
Yeah, this car is fucking sick. Gimme, Mel, the owner, got some crazy ass cars.
Now, you must have broke over the ball. Hold on, I'll put you on FaceTime so you can see it.
Hey, ciao. Move it.
Bullet!
Fuck is it?
What you do for your dog?
All the way there? You know, right? My bad, Bullet.
You don't want to go in there. It's a meth kitchen.
Hey!
Yeah! I should throw it over again.
I thought there was an animal back here.
You should have seen this thing. The guys at the
Look
dealership.
at the ride for the day.
I got swamped at the dealership.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm sure Jared's gonna be happy to get his car back. Touching your stick, Jared. Dang, that's kind of notchy. If you guys don't remember Jared, good friend. Does a lot of good photos. Hopefully more photos in the near future. Glad to see this thing's finally registered, and I believe it's barred now, so he's street legal. It's a pretty clean swap. Check him out. Instagram down below. Had a ton of fun driving this car today. Definitely miss it. I'm gonna let it cool down before I throw the cover on. Didn't get the heat shield off. There's a lot of stuff I need to do to get that thing off. Mainly the AOS hoses, and that's a little bit of pain. And I know Adam wanted to reroute some of them, so I'll wait for him. He's actually going to go drag race his truck all the way in Florida right now. So good luck to Adam if he sees this. If not, oh well, I'll text him. I'm gonna throw a clip up right now, which the car gods were watching out for me. I was driving. I just left the shop, and my bumper sack's getting worse. And I did a first, rolling into second pull. I see these bikes. I'm like, oh, those look like CHP bikes. Lo and behold, about 5 of them rolled deep. A fleet of CHP bikes rolled past me, and I was thinking this is gonna be the time I get a ticket, and that was my fault. Probably shouldn't have done that, but lesson learned. No ticket. Thankfully, they just continued on their way. But talk about a heart attack moment. That was it. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of threw it together. It was really fun. Just wanted more time with this camera to practice, and yeah, supposedly it was gonna rain this entire week. Hasn't rained much at all, so could have been driving this more, but this thing goes through 85 so quick. I just filled up 4 jugs and they're completely empty. I think 4 jugs and a full tank of 85 lasted me less than a week. A week in total of driving this car. But yep, catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. So I also got these walkie-talkies off Amazon, and mainly going to use them for when we're driving. It's going to be much easier to talk between each other. They have a range of about, I want to say, 1.5 miles in urban environments where buildings and stuff. Like Michaela's at her house, which is about 2.2 miles away, and Michaela, come in. She's not there. But I found scrolling through some of these that one was like a police or firefighter or EMS, like they're giving out license plate information and like code 4. So code 4 I'm thinking is police, so I don't know. That was kind of interesting because I was like test, and then it was on 16 and someone said, hello, who is this? So for the most part we're staying on channel 1. I'm not sure what the other channels are, but not gonna mess with them because I don't know how illegal these things are to be bouncing around different frequencies. If you guys know, let me know. That was a little add-in clip. This time for real. Catch you guys in the next one.